Hello everyone, I'm W4MP3 and this is Modded Minecraft, episode number 9. And in episode number 9, we have the end. But we're not going to the end of this episode. For that I will keep this for the next episode. So, we're at the end base here. For one simple reason, I have forgotten how to get here. And now I need to go back through the nether and make a path back home. And for that I have gathered some blocks, which hopefully are enough. I will get some coal and make some more torches. And we will see us back in my base. So I've built a path from the end portal to my normal portal from my western base. So, and also brought a bit of materials with me. We have a bit more building materials in this base here. So what are we going to do today? Well, I want to move this stuff around somewhere, maybe in a building. I will not move this very far from here. I will put it maybe up there. I need it to be actually very close to my starter house here. I have everything in this. And yeah, and then I have free power that I'm not using right there, which I should connect to something. So first thing I have to do is decide where to put this building. And the next step would be to move this stuff into the building. So I wanted to upgrade my greenhouse here, my bamboo farm, so we can get more scrap and more scrap boxes and then more items. I've removed the pillar in the middle for one more bamboo and added for the other side I did the same thing. Then I wanted to try out the lamps that you can use for the greenhouse controller. And yeah, the hologram has changed. It's not anymore in the same position. So also it's also harvesting as you can see, the big one just got removed. It is getting harvested. The hologram is just wrong. So I wanted to upgrade this with the lamps, and now I have to figure out where to put them. But before we figure that out, I'll do the talky bits now. In the background I've put me building the path in the nether from my base to the end portal, and later on me building the building for the machines. Last episode I talked about my new learn project, and today I'll reveal what I have and haven't done since last episode. So which game am I trying to mod? I bet nobody will guess what it is because there are not that many or any people interested in this. 3D Ultra Radio Control Racers Deluxe is the game. Just a quick description what this game is. It's a battle racing game from 1999 with radio-controlled vehicles like buggies and monster trucks and semi-wacky racetracks. Currently I figure stuff out from the English version 2.0 release. As far as I know, that is the most complete version. As a byproduct, the research might allow using the information for other games like 3D Ultra Mini Golf. So what did I figure out? Let's begin with something simple. Currently I figure stuff out from the English version 2.0 release. As far as I know, that is the most complete version. As a byproduct, the research might allow using the information for other games like 3D Ultra Mini Golf. So what did I figure out? Let's begin with something simple. Fastest lap times. Don't trust them. Look at those times. The frog one is ridiculous, the under construction one is impossible to achieve. Modifying those times is super simple. Open fastlap.dat with a hex editor. Find the correct entry for the track you want to modify. Change the time value like any floating point number. Maybe change the name. Update the checksum and save. If you didn't update the checksum like I did the first time trying this, it will remove all records. That's actually it. There's nothing more to know about the fastest lap times file. Let's talk about something more exciting. Game data files. The game actually has more files hidden inside other files. For example, each track has a full directory inside the track file, or the desktop interface is stored 100% in one single file. This is actually more efficient to load them like this than having those split into files. Many older games did that actually. Drawback is, for each track you need to put all important files into it, making every track contain the same data for item boxes, models, graphics, and more. How do I know that? Well, I unpacked all tracks with a small Python script. While I was at it, I wrote a script doing the inverse, so we could theoretically mod the game. I actually tried to use a repacked racetrack, and it worked without any issues. Sadly, modding the tracks is not that simple to do, especially because I don't know how the graphics work. Things that I got to work was viewing the models in Blender, which isn't that impressive because the game actually comes with models, which were made in 3ds Max. Hold on, I also got the texture working for that model. Those are just some simple 256 color bitmaps, and I didn't even have to mess with the UV maps. Neato. And that's how far I got with the stuff that I can somewhat show. I also investigated a bit more, but for now this should be giving you a look on how far I got with this. Now for something completely different, Halloween. Yes, this is a double feature, today 2 topics. I'm excited for Halloween for whatever reason. Normally I would travel to a friend for Halloween, but this year, yeah, it's not happening for obvious reasons. That's kinda sad, but oh well. Still, I'm excited. Maybe because I want to do something around that time. Something little, like a live stream. Well, not on Halloween directly, but on the 7th or 8th of November or the next weekend after that. I still need to figure out when, so most of you can join me, but should be around 18 o'clock in my time zone. I've put on screen when that is for other time zones. What I'm going to do is playing some video games I haven't played for too long, and chat a bit. Maybe we do something else too, but that depends on what you want to see and what I want to do. I'll announce the stream a few days before on Twitter, so you have at least a chance to see the train wreck of a stream I do. Twitter handle is in the description or on my channel page. The Twitch handle is also in the description, so you can follow and get a notification when I begin streaming. Alright, that's it with announcement W for MP3. Let's see what Let's Play W for MP3 did done do. I almost died. I only survived because there was a block here. I was just mining blocks and now I'm in this place that I don't want to be. Oh, nice voice crack. Well, that's what you get when you're watching videos while mining and don't pay attention to the screen. Well, I'm not finished with this building this episode. Yeah, time is running out actually. It's Tuesday. And on Saturday this video needs to go up, so yeah, this thing is not finished. And no machines are moved into there. That's one problem. The other problem is we don't have much materials left, especially bricks. That's barely enough to get about 2 layers of the top part done. And also we're missing some other stuff. I need to get some dyes for the windows, and for the floor I need a texture. I haven't decided on what to put on the floor. And I need to get those blocks too. So I'm going to get some more clay now. I'm recharging my tools, getting ready, and take a shulker box with me, and then just get as much clay as I can. So I get a little bit more material, and now I have to convert this to bricks, because I need many bricks. So this might take a while. Should upgrade the power and the speed of this furnace. It's taking so long to make bricks. Maybe I should have used a regular furnace for that, or a furnace array. Well, time is running out. I actually wanted to do something a bit more special today, but time is running out, but I don't want to hide it for another episode or something. because I found something very interesting. And not here, but here. This wall looks kind of suspicious. And I found this button here. Okay. That's an obsidian frame. And that's base. Hmm. Let's just jump in and see what happens.